Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet and Hard Floor, Power Speed, New Model, Blue, Black New Model. The Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet and Hard Floor, Power Speed is a popular and affordable vacuum cleaner that is designed for multi-surface cleaning. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for cleaning stairs and other hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum cleaner has a powerful motor that provides strong suction, making it effective at picking up dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors. The vacuum cleaner has a large dustbin capacity, which means you can clean more without having to empty it frequently. Including a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and an upholstery tool, making it versatile and suitable for cleaning different surfaces. Negatives. Some users have reported that the vacuum cleaner can be noisy when in use. Some users have reported that the vacuum cleaner's cord is relatively short, which can be inconvenient. Overall, the Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet and Hard Floor, Power Speed is a great choice for those who want an affordable and versatile vacuum cleaner that is effective at cleaning carpets and hard floors. Price, $53.08.